Join us on Facebook at Akoma 87.9 FM. Akoma 87.9 FM. For our comments, bra, you're making kind of kama. You're coming. But before that, Mami, and welcome the Lion, Richardo, Pepe, sorry, so Panya Kwaba.
I'm Sammy Joso.
Bibi Aboko.
Adomino Ekraimu, Okesiano. Mobo Bibia Eboko.
Wife lively or Mao Bobio. I like your dress.
Yeah, fantastic.
Wow.
Fantastic.
Auntie Sandra Mo Nyamisha. And that's a birthday Kasia.
Yeah.
War, ye feel. Your man bako. And let me see from that. Said yes, your dress party. The birthday a year good conversation. Yes, this is our girl. Is right?
Yes, and the birthday of Renel Inshra Echampon. My last born, no. Renel Inshra Echampon. And then the birthday na ono angazanya ne birthday kwa na obi di ne birthday utimi jefa na azakoye ono ne birthday
wow
enti se duro bi birthday na akoye cake but mu say ade no anye tu
there's a guy on
ne birthday enti
and some of Sandra I present the pa as a birthday girl
o de wani chim e wo John William Montessori School
so that was
ka say yo mukuso me mantima nko bi say ebre no mbe pom be ye nti no meja ho e de ama senior prefect ayaseda on the senior just there her chire ella boni chidom Michael de one number ball mi hwe no kra mi hono ho boy akobo ball class mama yes easy the ball
oh school
ano pay chinchin ai na epi into the ball be ko school
ti wakoje dey so
him I start on me top ball I dey share the bag him say yes you multi class no and we na omo bobo no class yes easy the ball it be free John William Montessori School
yes
and I ebe nkwada no
remember me one of
yes
birthday no ono na coordinate
nti ohima ye ka say on the birthday coordinator because ba bia nshi na mbio ne dinachi ba bia nshi na mbio ne dinachi my emfa asida
ba chobuma
emfa ma madam for so all the teachers ma unso mu nyina agada mu ceremony but because of time we needed to come to work eti enkra no eguso Renel Inshira Echampon
aka Inshi
no afia Inshira no ena ne birthday happy birthday my daughter
sure
na me share no onye okese pa yes enya asem kitobusua
so is yeko but before that obeka na no Monday yes as ye wo kan say jana ye yadom ema Friday week no eba wi yes ya ye na se da eba man the asem na on behalf of the team and listeners and ye gina wo kan e de ache obade
abusua ena ye Friday na omo mutie da bia de wo mu nimpa say on Monday ye de ho ehye okese ne sa bosumi sase on the first ye de ho ehye okese ne sa ene yesere ne se anya na dom anya na humobro oma no nso yeso no mfa na wotwe enkwa wie pa emfa maye ene ye Friday die betima ya ne se ye de aseda ema oborbore ye de aseda ema onyankrompon twediampon yaseda nyina ana busua ya bon beda ye de ma okese no intimaka cho se ya ne onyomtofo no ya adwene se onyame aseda eye bebre tie friemu ene ade nyina mu eka se onyame na seda bebre awiai ye de aseda ena nam ena ye de ma onyankrompo twediampon na se de tie no esanse ye nipa na da bia ye pemo nti no ye de nyankrompo ase wie a ne ye tu ho ase ne sabiem se anya na dom anya na humobro na watwa wie ya ye wuramu ena ye Friday ochina Saturday ena ne Sunday program bebre be ena ho ena Friday sabrabusua efie bebre urama eye esu esanse ena ye Friday sabre ye ko mocha hodo ni akwa koyi bodies e de abafie entu be wura fie pii mu no aye ni suo aye sun yesere onyankrompo twediampo oncheche omure sabre ya nso obi esusu ni jacket na hwe be ma ne hye oba no sabre ana o check na tade na hwe se kyena atade a o ginam na ode aye ne wedding ono so egiregiram na omombe ni tina ba sabre omombe ne nsamo hore omo ekeka so eye ni je pa na hye ho nyame mfa di je entra sa fie ho omo to badin ene program sabeko so nyame adoma ena nwumre yakosi ne kyena de ye gane nyina hye onyankrompo twediamponsa oma ne nsa so ewo yeso ontenanim emayen na afi okyena sei no onyankrompo entenanim pa omo ye yie ensuo se de esu tono nyame ni hu abusia nsuo ne timi to ba bi nram frama fa ha na me yekọ ebusa obi ewo patasi achie ya osi da ha de nsuo nto yo
nru a oba adumasa where my school is wo hwe mframa pa aduma edi wo kromo ba we say yedu so for la na nso mpete
China buzam sana yentu ka no free ankope ba bizia because enyo eyi na sisi more hona advertising box why net nyagro but eheya baby nzuanto nyankropon entenanim amfama yen na oma ne saso ewe so ya gine di so obe e de amayen eti na bribia no ye de aseda e de ebre no ne de bisade e de to ono nyankropon twedi amponyo busapanyi
ye nyina ye je so amen still we are live on Akoma 87.9 FM Akoma Sports and ye de bram no nsia and ye so ye kwama but before that ye ram into week 30 of the Ghana Premier League ye bo ye quarter 34 weeks
yes
Dreams FC Africa no mo ko eno nti omo outstanding games e wo ho league no so one as a points no e very tight with just a win it me catapult obi for ase na de na kwato score ba bi ni ade enye better sen ke bia e no be suspend league ama Dreams abo mo outstanding na wie na fi ya beto aso and then you say ya bo league
e better but unfortunately omo the program aba up to match week I think 32 into say Dreams ebo ba ko midweek
yes
and omo share bechem ti ebo na midweek na Dreams abo na abo na midweek na Dreams abo nti they believe that by the time we do match with 32 after 2 round of matches no more Dreams are clearly outstanding games and
no more
but I was thinking say Dreams ebo bechem na no I say Dreams is abo na Dreams abo Ghana Premier League empanyi for echirema say all rest 48 hours you can play a game just think you schedule more games no e mo bo free for the sake of fairness and the sake of competition, you know. Yeah, now we say, but unfortunately, and for enya ade omo timetable na bentisana but in fairness and in the spirit of true competition, I think that should have been the arrangements here clay games, you know, at the FA. But unfortunately, and penny for anko and penny. I had you from Johnny a Facebook page and so. Then to Barcelona any Bayern Munich ade na esisi obasa ne ban no enye usual enye normal Barcelona e ka kire ye be ya announcement say omo ne Xavi awie
so mama na recent
decision let make an earlier decision no so both season we are on to aso bi ene ye nyina ye de tewa na Xavi started so winning matches no oboko nanu ya na opanya ne did one Laporta be bam Xavi ene omo ye press conference omo wie no omo ko transfer no omo ko twa bi kakra ene omo ko papa ifie unim send free run na djubesi sabre omo person pam Xavi but when board that resolve say omo pam Xavi one Laporta ne mpanyi for say Xavi ntime mwa omo ntime nto adwuma no so na Xavi nsam keka kora nye okọ press conference ogu team na nimase etia so omo pam no ye kasa say Barca are in the process of finalizing a decision to sack Xavi Hernandez
after so omo ba bon so omo rescind the decision omo ne na kasa mo no so
wajia tumbibi ekọ animu
what the open sana lata ni baby sa
enu ye discuss here cause utwam na akopie mo Germany ho de no kra de anya kra
the kings of German football
man a huge giant of European football a European club competition we Bayern Munich sinche bujapanyi enye ye
me boss George Bellamy team
we omo gira nche ya enye ye Bayern Munich no ni omo ya no embarrassing to say the least. If you want to be charitable obeka say as a childish ni omo na ekoso e wo Bayern Munich boboku
e won so de na esisi
February and a Bayern announcement say almost coach and he did it Thomas Tuchel no season be na we ya omo na nto aso bi and a Bayern started so omudin komo and a Bayern and Julian Nagelsmann edin komo to ho Julian Nagelsmann edi kan te ase e no fa 34 no from zo there be adwuma no onye or concentrate or German national team okay Bayern be move forward na Bayern akoranim na Bayern akodin komo with Hansi Flick Hansi Flick, I said the last time Bayern AJ trouble on AJ and komodie kakra ye din komo ye toaso ye befa ha enkosi Hansi Flick say what I say untimi ene omo enya adwuma no Hansi Flick ayi Bayern ato nche 5 coaches and a Bayern Munich ene omo din komo and now omo call Oliver Glasner or your coach at my Crystal Palace. January ano ba Crystal Palace. Oliver Glasner no and show interest and omo contact Crystal Palace. Crystal Palace okay. Some funny about 100 million euros. As I
agree.
But here they budget 100 million euros. Na Bayern said they be 18. Confirm said they be 18 yanye. Na Bayern edaneni. And na Bayern Munich a film last week. Ever said this week. I have video where some amount exclusive picture. Of coach and the thing at Thomas Tuchel. The agent a Baura Bayern Munich for office. kɔdi nkɔmmɔ deɛ firi no ɛbɛ nyinaa no na akɔyɛ sɛ ɔpanyini no ne Bayern ɛba abɛtoa so na ɔma akɔ ɔma anim papa ndi ne Thomas Tuchel ba press conference ɛnnɛ no mbusa no ɔsɛ saa nkɔmmɔ no mu na mudidi na bɔnten deɛ ɛka no February na ɔno no ɔntoa so enti so far about 6 coaches obia sɛ ɔnyɛ interested in Bayern adwuma no kae sɛ ɔmokɔ ayi ho Xabi Alonso sɛ medam ase ɛyɛ animonyam hyɛ ne mmom saa berɛ deɛ Bayern adwuma no memma ɔmofa wei ho a nipa kɔ so ɔma what is happening to Bayern Munich na deɛ ɛsi wɔ Bayern ɛne deɛ ɛsi wɔ Barca no busa bɛnyɛ nti aseɛ Barca deɛ no deɛ sɛ sɛ ɛyɛ sack ɔmo sake Xavi
wei yɛ question a Pepe ebisa yɛba ma no no a Fuadwin Chebra, these are two giants. Oko Mokrom, Barca, Ewo, Spain, Nafe, Bayern, and so Ewo, Germany, Omuye giants, Ewo ho, Eba Europa, Uyu Omu free football more in ye. What is happening? Anna clubs in your attractive bios, they say, Omu per coach crew Munyabi. Ayadiasam. Akoma 87.9 FM on Facebook joining for our comments bra yabaka kan ma yabe phone lines no at the right time now so the comments but for now dear the Don Richardo Pepe Suarez Eddie Abram
yes ya konko phone cross baran sana no said the bia me uja Facebook page na so a meba na ma bodin na ma acknowledge the bia me ka che say odi atwa udin and two phone no akọ Facebook o te computer chi be out there a desktop or there a laptop mo kura tablet and mo kura iPads no o ko Facebook no o bo Akoma 87.9 FM as I search column ho baby a hwehwa de no bo Akoma 87.9 FM afa so sisi wo bo shema ebe bia adiaba Akoma 87.9 FM e bia papa follow your page na follow page na fama like page no o scroll it down and the video na ye no ata wo sisi o tro udin a in the next 30 seconds mehu na ma ba udin wa ha ento di opa yanya sa exercise ni sisi fa phone no nako obia program na call live de ye ne sisi Akoma Sports abusia panyi sami champion anya ginadwa o tro udin ade to no o tro ba bi kro de hia me pa yam pese mu ba bi a o hwe dwade no afri wo de ba sisi ya ya be acknowledge o enti ma se CJ agina page no so o twa bi Emmanuel Kofi Kuma won so ba begina so ya o hwe dwade no bi ya mu akwaba abrante udin ade Asuoka post Maloney won so gina so wo hwe so ne bi Steven Ajutin Etuahine, I can see you on the page. Amofa Kwabna, Terry G, Isaac Akoma from Germany. I can see you, my brother. Amofa Kwabna, Onsu Jansubi, Apia Sian Kwaku Daniel, Wababe Janjumadinusu, Ainin Collins, Wonso Oha, Rudat Isaka, Onsu Jansua, Uheshonibi, Brad Jeff Nye, our Edinburgh, Ewa Yuki, Yawanuso. Show ne or say Barca fans in fact Barca ya mabro na bramba bra because almost help Pamza Vikra media exclusive stories ringina everywhere at the airpa young quay Reverend Omono Puku Ajamai Wonsu Jasua Ushabi Radford Hardy a constant member was show so Radford Yamuakwaba a branch of the bright audacity Povu Wonsu Ujaso Uheshonebi Anani Samuel Kunsu Kojo Krom or say Tyson Fury. Yes, some part na a bossman won some ebro, Mamin Casa at a prince, a Jasua, or share free Pandai, our Volta region. And I mean, say, oh, tia, ye chemuno, minim baby aqua di Pandai, and at a prince, a share free, where I have branted the thing at the nest, Peniel, and also a church mediabi, every Columbus, Ohio nest, Mame Anton Kappa, Andrews, Asa, one swujna so, oh, share every Kumase, Sir Obedi, a Dubuatin. And so Baba Jaswa, also Jumadi bi Yidana Haruna, Ujina page na so where I have branchen di at a damn party, one so Ushabi, Nana Poku Bills, Ujina so Bedu Daniel, a branchen di at the Ronald, Awuni, also Ushabi, Kwaku Abak, Ujina so Evangelist Gabriel, Opoku Bempa, Mahumina, Odaki, Nana Danso, Ajin, from Port Manson wife, Onsu Jaso, Emmanuel Kofi Kuma, Mahu Amwate Steven, another, Mama Diana Bromeso, Nipani Jinaso more, Ya Anya Sabkito Kojo, Ampon Saboting, Flexi One, Cypher, a J. Augustin, Onsu Jaso Asamoah, Michael, and a branch out with a Shaibu, Amiao, Also, Ujasobi, Gideon Yantachi, my brother, you are watching us. Welcome to the show. This is Akoma 87.9 FM. Richardo Pepe Suarez and Otamin Kane, Medu Tufa, Yakonko Foncroso, Wujaswa, said Jumadan FM CCA, Wujasubiano, na o share Jumadan answer at your mammy, would one HMO, now call Eco PM Awo, Baby said John William Montessori School, one of BM teacher phono, led by Sir Frank. Yes, Alonso Rono, Mutia Jumadiana, Anya Kitokra, Yanchamunina, taxi drivers outdoor, Yamu Kroma, Yamutia Akoma FM, Trot drivers are, Mutia Akoma FM, and Nanwada, Mekofa VIP station. Me drew VIP station, Nanya some Kitokra, ay, and a pepe, ay, penny for, ready and penny for pa, and to VIP station, Mua Mutia Jumadiano, Yadamase, Yamamunina Kwaba, at the Bakoma. 87.9 FM. Young Ramu, I will catch it here Dubai. Wokawa, Monfa Hitino, Wucham no Ramum, I will Kumase, now Coco Piemo Astawa, Ye Coco Piemo Hot Adam Lotteries, a ho and a strong Adams, Unwa Juma Fogina, Monsumwa Monfa Hitino, and Yasam Kitwa, Babiawano, on the back page, Nasopa, Mayakreleju, Namfema Comanim, and Nastu, and so Asqua, and Nasto Paparano, Charles, Amwako, Achumako Fodia, and I watch Jordan Effie, a branch and Dane, Adi Georgie, Agbaviada, Doji Agbaviada, also Bokom South Africa, or Hedgedino, Charles, Amwako, one so Achumako Fodia, or Shay, Martin, a Duboatin, which a page, so one so Ushajmadianabi, Mr. Samuel, or Fair Adu, a Champo Junior, Ushajmadianabia, and Yasam Kitokra, Yakom and Yaba, DJ China Yatrasi, Ewa Fidicasiano, and to the pictures, no, any videos out on, at the Payajuma. Now, Bushapani, I discover Aquadabi, Aquadani only 7 years. Aquada, what dim fian song? Aye, Bona Crown Bon Anwashi, Yakwaba, Yabai didn't at the April, Ayakai, Senamia Tumam, on Sunday, Mother's Day at Bosso, now Mother's Day at Bossono, Ushai or Kumase, Ratri Park, and a Sunday, Yadijmadian Eba, 19th of May. And a Jwadino, Yadi April, and Yasam Kitwa, our Ratri Park opposite Golden Tulip, and a former Golden Tulip, no, Ubesheo, Napa, now be Piema, Ayakoma, 87.9 FM, Breast Care International, and a Peace and Love Hospital, and a Kabum, a breast cancer screening, and a cervical cancer screening. Ninano, Yayan Wajuma at Yamau, Ya Pomate, Sobe Piemo, Sedge Medi, Grow Fine Blood Tonic, one Ekremo, as P Pharmaceuticals, one Akambi, Kanjin and Magic Drinking Water located at Bremai UGC, Wama Akambi, Cocoa Plus Powder, Food Supplement, Wama Ekrem, Mata Day Hospital, Yamu Awa Santasa Roundabout, behind the Goy Filling Station, Wama Ekremubi, like natural prices, always available in the market, or Chia Herbal Powder, or Chia Herbal Powder Ekrem, Cave and Gardens Limited, Wama A producers of Janico Fruit Juice, Captain Morgan Restaurant, Wama Awa and Kane, Spice built in our Santasa Roundabout, Wama Ekremubi, St. Ben Jewelry, Dead Dog Season Spices, Wamuna account, and at the April, a Sunday, our Ratri Park, Ushay, for message Nebra, may I credit you. Quick Credit is now Bill's microcredit for over 15 years. Quick Credit has been your trusted partner in micro lending, empowering lives and making dreams a reality. Today, we are excited to announce a new age. Quick Credit is now Bill's microcredit, still committed to serving Ghanaians and changing lives. Bills is here to show that everything is possible. Join us as we embrace a brighter future. Bills, financing your needs. Any HMO near Ram Awashan at the Jovi, Travel for Jobs and Estate Agency, a control on some, a control Okoyajuma, and now control when he equal to trot on some, no near Koya, or whenever Chemo, Awashan at the Jovi, Travel for Jobs and Estate Agency, Jovi Semen Fund to him, says a sadia, a bappa over to Koya, for passport no, never funny Chemo, a Tonsu Monaco, opposite M10 office no, a Tonsu Monaco, opposite M10 office, over Najuma quality, at the Jovi, Travel for Jobs and Estate Agency, Accra, Medina, Woodrow Medina, a back of Medina main station, adjacent the old Malcolm building inside God with Us Plaza, our Medina Accra, Ubenya Juma Quanting, Eddie Jovi, Fred Jovi, our 0200 242506, 0200 242506, and a 0539 149 319 0539 149 319 0539 149 319 no nya Jovi and an edin come on ya kaisa Nanajman spiritual home the Babalao Nanajman spiritual home one and the Ifo high priest Nanajman spiritual home one the father of all mysteries a bus secret bia and Nanajman spiritual home abrabono o the tare na why o the tare na why o faha na young kobesie wo the sikaya juma na se awade na abekwa enkwaye Nanajman sebra no mia bia nioma bi so nkyerɛw enioma bi yɛ hintasam se wo hu sa nioma no hu na ma betu a nioma enkwaye so emfama Nanajman one our castle Millennium City Pentecost Police Regional Headquarters over friend Nanajman I was 0248 544 058 0248 544 058 0248 544 058 Nanajman spiritual home we care but God heals ya kwamane DJ China ya krado mensoma ya krado mause flex one cipher wababe janso Lucas Mpwan LJ also wujaso usho jwade ne bi apana Pedro Bernard wonso jaso nanaya ousu ado o abuakwa o hweyen munyina no yamakwaba we also owo Zoko go in Bongo district ewo Upper East and watch jwade ne fra anya sam ketokra amin bossa munyina no mujaso Evans Osiachimai yamakwaba ye twa ye ho aba ye kwamna ne framna ne ba amna ne sam dewa and ya bono on Akoma 87.9 FM edina no ade ebrewo DJ China makacho so atrase ya wono wagye dwa enti dwumadie no eye live on Akoma 87.9 FM odwani achiemu on Akoma 87.9 FM on Facebook dwumadie no ewo for adwenche eto say relevant to discuss say na brebama ya bagye bre na fe ya kenkan ediamon tienie so adwenche ne relevant to discuss say na ya bagye bre ne kenkan ediamon live on Akoma 87.9 FM and DJ China ya krado mensoma ya krado from north to south, east and west, wherever you are, welcome to the show. This is Akoma 87.9 FM. My name is Richard Champon. You can call me Richardo Suarez Epepi. Yeah, too funny. Me pacho mami one la porta. One your opinion thing. At Xavier Nantes. Naminya Jumano Enfrio. Me Sosia at the free FC Persona Shea. And I proclaim Bassa Crest, no, for Bassa Crest at Toswanza, because a new ACC, our FC Persona, and Abusapani, a hard journey, when himself Xavi, no, ya Juma Adama outside, and a Bossa Aquafana Payer, or Bami season, or Baba Yes season, you know, and your Xavi Payer, and over to a Juma so, why ya Juma, at the Mompasa, one Bobo Kono, Wababa so Jumanuma, when himself last season, a season before this one, Xavi de Bossa, edges Spanish La Liga, Moya away, Swatch La Liga, of course, a pa Europa, Montemon wa fom, and your rum near or rum near Europa Crano, Yana Yanim Gossam, a choir fossil film so Europe no, a hard journey, none water, and your Aquasha Paris and German 3-2, Wabetan Fear, PH Bashan 4-1. PH na Dortmund question home no Wabashan 4-1 and Pennyfund didn't come out ASA Xavi Yano Atom Quanta Ebapai and announcement Ebai says Xavi and Tess no says Bebiatrono FC Barcelona and an Avier and a Xavi Chitumo was so your resource bar Kakra of course was your big dream here Nastel Xavi Lusu when young Quadana say when Miomu pa now or someone who didn't with him Xavier interview Subia Boss and Penny for any after some bossa and the official announcement says Omni Xavi Xavi Eguso ya wanam eto so kono official announcement for Frobasamba me pacho de babanie ya baba pam Xavi na fe DJ Chana medase mame Xavi Hernandez oni opanya ya friends one Laporta ni anyan sabra amfama atia from Johnny on our Facebook page on Akoma 87 FM. Yes, where I Xavi Hernandez wano ana no one Laporta ejrawi hwe wo hwe mo picture na obeka se bibia okay maybe ma picture ba ko bi we kura de we abam we ana we abam we no mo sere ase bibia okay me baba ma picture bi after so mo twa sa picture we wie wo mo wie ya ana nkofo no ekogya ba bi foforo we done chi ana we done niam obi we nhwe we anim when we adwa enya sabketo kra Xavi Hernandez me pacho mo nteni ye de chere se Xavi ekokosian sentrofo ena Xavi ade tutwa se kamia se Barcelona omo finances no mo manage ni ye kamia se Barcelona players ono hia ade ye adwuma no wo mo nya emfama no yeso complain sa wo complain sa ana fe Xavi esanso kokasa ade fa kwada ne din ade Victor Roque mame mfantwa se Victor Roque no siakan anso our Brazil Atletico Paranaense ahono mo kofa ne pa ya basa tuasika around 35 million euros na de tiane some point no Xavi chema onu Barcelona level na sa kamia se one Laporta mo se Madrid akwa no makwa kofa Vini Madrid mo kwa no makwa kofa Rodrigo Madrid kwa wakofa Endrick wodi akoya wakwa kofa Victor Roque waba onya pori bi mo ne motema no fom onu Barcelona standard yesi no ana atwa opanya ne ten ade one Laporta ne nsurum ana wose hwe akwa party na apache no na wo Xavi unim kwa me for so 2 seasons ago minya players ajisa Robert Lewandowski mo amamba boy ya wodi G League na wuji udin wudim kwa for so ya data players bi ajisa Rafinha mo amamo baye wudim kwa for so Frank Yannick Cassier ya dio mo baye wudim kwa ya for so akwadana ntide Frank Dion ya man stay akwa pa aswani nso nyoma ye no entiano na akwa confusion apa mame mfantudwa se na nwumrei meeting chenchenche akoso na meeting akoso the same table empanyifo trase ene Xavi jitum so nto adwuma so no sa table na ho wonom akwa trase wo mo trase a decision free Barcelona ho eba ene so mbeka kire owura ndere Xavi Hernandez so mo ntumi ne nto so ne ase wo hwa one Laporta no nipa won nche nyina so owura o ha dwene kamia se Barca no wa fare se onkwa wodia enti ase one Laporta o ye too emotional ento ya de na koka na ne buafu na fa person no wie eno ena mpanyfo echema opanyine nioma oye no enya de o mani je ho we anso kakra efiri oba yedon samne ade atutwa ade ama chefo a mutie Akoma 87 FM mame Xavi Hernandez on Rafa Marquez na me mfantutwa se ye kasa sesie se in case Xavi wano okwa anasa mpanyfo pona na se tua Rafa Marquez wana mpanyfo ehwe nim ni nyina announcement no ya ye late nanka Hans Flick available so be Barcelona djuma no Hans Flick na ni djuma no na Mombasa abeka sa Xavi to so na Hans Flick and AC Milan mpanyfo ehwe setting komo enti Hans Flick akato na bro na AC Milan for confirm so no na baba djuma enso ade mo a we de free oba don samno ade to dwade ma chefo mutie Akoma 87 FM ya wa Barcelona so ya din komo kakra en wa Barca na ma min free o na min nguram obi pa cheki Jurgen Klopp wa kan sampi Jurgen Klopp akan samne pi Jurgen Klopp si yamfantutwa ni anka chobibia some machine afidie ndi ade va no China osuo ni babia wa enkwasesa togu dadadada ya kasi anto banne safa ni yentwam anasa fa ntra Jurgen Klopp so betoba safa ni yentwam ana mo se opening 2.5 apaye anya de papa bia no se mpacho muntem ye I don't have a problem with VAR as adiano se bia system ne friend fa no na mum nipa no mo hwa adiano so no wo mo na problem ana nipa no so nyoma je so mbesesa enti se nipa no nyoma je so mbesesa dia ene ye mpaja fidie ne ntontwere or say how it is used is definitely not right how they use it is not right and I'll vote against VAR. These people cannot do it properly. Wasini pono mo ya fa no wo mo ntimi nya ne ye na so ntimi nya ne ye na human problem dia ɛne yɛn pagya deɛ no ntontwene yɛbɔ se yɛkɔtoa ba a ɔno Jurgen Klopp ɔbɛtoa ba ɛde atia sɛ bi afa no yɛnyi mfa mfiri hɔ ɛno ɛyɛ kakra ɛfiri hɔ ba ɛna mete wo nsɛm de ɛto dwa meda so gya Jurgen Klopp so yɛ meekɔ no kakrakra ɛna wode adwane yɛn ɛwɔ yɛn Facebook page no so ne yɛnya adwuma no kakrakra Jurgen Klopp ɛna ɛka sɛn ɛna ɔse hwɛ woka goodbye a wontumi nka goodbye in a nice way da ɛnyɛ possible sɛ wobɛka goodbye in a nice way wɔse sɛ woka kyɛ obi sɛ goodbye na wode ani gye na ɛka na sɛ woankasa baabi korɔ na wokɔe no w'ani anyɛ enti na woka goodbye enti ɔno Jurgen Klopp wɔde to dwa sɛ adeɛ no ɛyɛ sad feeling ɛde ma no ɔfeeling very sad sɛ wɔka goodbye ɔso ɔyɛ hurt so wɔka goodbye ɛde akyɛ Liverpool kɔbɔkɔ no na mmom baabi aduro no deɛ sɛ baa ɛno so ɔno obi bɛgye ki wɔbɛtwe ne ho akɔ na obi foforɔ ba Jurgen Klopp agu so kasa mame saa sɛ wɔadi China wei na yɛ UEFA Champions League the aberanteɛ ne din ɛde Vini Junior ɛbɔ 1 goal ɛma Real Madrid ɛwini yɛ no Jurgen Klopp sɛ wadwene ho a na ada no ɔyɛ sure sɛ goalkeeper na ne din ɛde Tibu Courtois no wɔse saa da no ɛm sɛ na Tibu Courtois ne nsa obia nsa yɛ 2 ɔso ɛsure na Tibu Courtois saa da no yɛkyɛke na ne nsa yɛ 12 ɛne ɛsɛ man ɔpa kyɛ sɛ no wɔse mo anhwɛ bɔɔl no bi bɔɔl ɛyɛ bɔɔl no da no ɛne ɔde fa ha na akoa no yi yɛbɔ na wastrɛkye woyɛ sɛ na ɔde ne nsa tepe bɔɔl no na ɔyi afiri hɔ ɔyɛ sure sɛ saa da no sɛ mpanyimfoɔ kyɛke Courtois yi a ɛnkɔma ma no post no mu ɛnkɔma ne nam ɛsiane sɛ da no na Courtois ne nsa ɛyɛ maako 12 a ɛno ɛyɛ deɛ ɔpanya ne den ɛde Jurgen Klopp ɛde to dwa ɛne ɛde bi ɛde ma yɛ ne tiefoɔ ma memfa nto dwa sɛ Jurgen Klopp ne former goalkeeper trainer anaasɛ ne goalkeeper trainer wɔno nso ɛfiri Liverpool sɛ maka kyɛw dada sɛ Liverpool no ɛnyɛ Klopp nkoa na ɛkɔ ɔmo yɛ mmɔ ɔmo mu no aduane ɛde ma Liverpool wɔmo kɔ grounds bend yɛ ɔmo twɛ Liverpool wɔmo grass no so wɔnom ɛkɔ coaching staff ne nyinaa wɔnom ɛkɔ physical trainers ne nyinaa wɔnom ɛkɔ about 52 people ɛna ɛfiri Liverpool mpɔbɔkɔ no mu na ɔpanyi a yɛfrɛ no sɛ John Asabek no wode wani kyɛm a ɔkɔka Steven Gerrard no ɛwɔ Al Ittifaq wɔkɔ goalkeeper trainer ɛde ama Al Ittifaq ɛnso ɛwɔ Saudi Arabia Saudi Pro League no mu a yɛto nsɛm ɛde ma kyɛfoɔ a motie Akoma 87.9 FM from one confused club yɛ ɛyɛ FC Barcelona yɛnkɔ another confused club mewuram ɛwɔ Germany wokɔ Germany a ayɛ pin so wokɔ Germany a ɛnsɛm no ayɛ bebrepee yɛnte aseɛ papa wonim sɛ Bayern Munich wɔnom agu so wɔn pɛ coach wɔn bɛka kyerɛ yɛn so wɔn nso sɛdeɛ basa yɛn na no wɔn coach ne season pa wie a wɔn ɛne na wie nti wɔn ntɔ so ɛna wɔn de announcement ɛba yɛ ɛne ɔpanyin ne de Thomas Tuchel wɔyɛ n'adwuma na nneɛma nyɛ ampa league ne deɛ Bayern 04 Leverkusen wɔn agye league no Bayern 04 Leverkusen afa league ne de kɔ DFB Pokal ɛno nso Bayern Munich afiri mu UEFA Champions League Real Madrid ɛhyɛ Bayern Munich by 2-1 ɛwɔ Santiago Bernabeu ɛgya wɔn kwan ɛde firi mu but still afɛ deɛ ɛkame ɛsɛ bɔsa wɔn kɔ coach so wɔn nya bi Bayern wɔn kɔ coach so wɔn nya bi no na nkɔmpɛ so wɔn ne ɔwura yi to so ɛno ɛna wɔn bɔ Thomas Tuchel wɔn bɔnabɔna ɛne last week kura meka kyerɛ wo sɛne agent no ɛkɔkɔ pie mu ɛwɔ Seven Strasser wɔn ɛkɔkɔ yɛ meeting na afɛ asɛ nneɛma ɛkɔ yie ebia papa no bɛtena ɛnɛ Thomas Tuchel ɛkɔ press conference a wɔse wei ɛyɛ ne last press conference a ɔyɛ as a Bayern Munich coach and you busa say ntia and was feedback from recent weeks no and the foundations na we want to discuss this issue no and to continue and was reasons there or a gentleman want to make reasons and say nemum agreement na every February one Bayern fine no sa agreement na and the gym ya anya dia ono papa ne did Thomas Tuchel want to so ya juma adema Bayern Munich one poboko no and no busa papa say enti won sama ho kan sapa se ebia wanya dwuma baabi enti na mpeso be Bayern adwuma ne biem ebia wanya tim kase bi enti na mpeso be Bayern adwuma ne biem ana wase da bi no kwaseme wom ene so no a gentleman na se gentleman no wono se udi kan eba bonten na ba begu nanim ase aso onya de season pa wie ya pamo na fe osampa or per certain level of control na mamema exclusives ebro panya ne din ɛde Thomas Tuchel ɛne mpanyinfoɔ hyia no wɔka kyerɛ wɔn sɛ so ɔbɛto adwuma no so deɛ ma Bayern Munich seesei ɛsɛ transfer decisions player ɛbɛkɔ player bɛba ɛsɛ decisions ne agya no so Bayern akɔfa Max Ebel ɛde naba wɔyɛ sporting director wɔba bɛyɛ adwuma wɔnim sɛ Fried mu hɔ wɔn ɛyɛ adwuma and what penny said there be what 100% control our players one bapano mompako Bayern force there be Santanian to me and Fama. We will judge with you. You know, but Nancy, you better on come on. Now, for you, I only a fake decision. Or said there be, Sassanam Bennett here. Mamma Minko Afe, no assured Bayern for a cut war, say or G2 or yeah, Juma. No matter the results, in the middle of the season, one team I can't say, your bosses in Yaya Fire, and a Sanya Bayano, and Tissanium away, and a Jinaswa, Bayern, Omni Panyanity, at Thomas Susha and Cobertino, and Tumian Bia, Sansam Coco Jagu, and Don Samno, and my chef for Mutia Akoma. 87 FM, may come him, DJ China, our situation room, or yeah, Jumania, and so at the amount, Mama Pep Guardiola, as answer weekendy, Nyamea Duma, a Pep Guardiola's Manchester City, one more any David more years, Nesida, yeah, from so West Ham and Asia, now West Ham, but my Jumay, and yeah, so called West Ham, Kudusum, a Jomanum, a branch of Aqua, the day at Michael Antonio Sonia, Nanquano Michael Antonio. Or yeah, Juma be, or yeah, and was Bibia and one be, Nanqua Pomatia, Eddie and your results, Eddie Maclab na, yeah, from so West Ham, said you pay Thomas Pates also, Ebert Angelico, Pep Guardiola call press conference and there, Pepsi and Fantuka, Sun and Pie Bonne one West Ham came near Sasia, after 10 minutes, no lead 3-0. Or send him pipe up, I don't know, send KB about 10 minutes, not on match at 3. Said the player was and said the press and the cost of the Munina movie. I brought Son you mean on the 86th minute, a control ball. One goalkeeper Stefan Ortega. Was a bonnet to them on no pep could be and to empire. And it's a Sadian one person PM as a game by the timer. Yaba prepared 10 minutes no, not 3 goals a guatem, and also best or bencho, no copper, no sre, no trans or ball covered by any, no shabby. Now bottom quiet dear, a bayre, and you seem to reassure. So Benyasa goes to no Debbie, only need that. So Benyasa goes in 10 minutes. Nemo Nintimo, a payer Jumatin, said a payer Numabakoyi, a Jamomo, make up. Mauricio Pochettino says the Poch Nano when you wins Kakra, Chelsea and 4 consecutive wins. Momrama Mauricio Pochettino and Uganye was a Okachre will be the message is always to trust the process, trust the team. Or say we are 200% committed to deliver the best job for this club. Hey, or say mon trust the process, no, na mon trust a Juma Aircoso, no. Or you're 200% committed, so by Juma Area Chelsea, or say important thing they say. Honestly, a backeno, important thing and say, one more Modio Musica, and it's a team no, one more ya trusted processor, Ecosoa, or no, Mauricio Pochettino, when him say Juma Oyano, and your Mabati Akoye Adiamana, and also a free oba, and don't summon Adi Atuja, Mauricio Pochettino, and not page the Somame DJ China. Mami Mauricio Pochettino, I will pay so not fermentoso, and so I'm frio. Now Mauricio Pochettino Akasa was it Chelsea, and Persomo finishes season, no more finishing very strongly. On possesses Yomobono, Chelsea, Jumanina, no more room, I had Jumatine, and a Chelsea 4 at the Aram way Eka free oba. And let me just watch this so Mami Mikel Arteta, Super Mikel Arteta, Nasa Arsenal supporters, no one Antonium, Super Mikel Arteta, and Arsenal 4, one more Busan question, and then we'll go PM press conference, and then say Joe for Busano, Sir Mikel, says, who contract about you June 2025. Now, Sadiana 1 season. Oh, yeah, then Arsenal 4 supporters at Jotum, Arsenal paying for Jotum. Oh, yeah, then, oh, I stand the contract, and I say, oh, yeah, then also, oh, and Commodia P. Akoso, no more, or no air prepared. So about to also a Juma, Adama Arsenal, Pobokono, Arsenal for prepared. So about to also a Juma, and Toronto, do any man say, Yamia Duma, Yamo season in ye, your bosses in ya, I had day Arsenal from penny for proposal Somayano, or what about him, no to also a Juma, Adiam Arsenal, where Eddie free opa, Mamma Jean-Louis Cassetti. And Tamso, young Ram Olympic Marseille, Jean-Louis Cassetti, Unim Sapapawe, Uram Olympic de Marseille, one team now, Uray, were free AFCON 2024, AFCON 2023, Yabon 2024 Mokai, Wano, and one man in La Cote d'Ivoire, a Pomno, one more Pomno and Afi, Nassistant coach, no, a Cocoje tournament, the Samakai, Matua Jessiso, Okoyan Olympic de Marseille, a Fano, Olympic Marseille, Nanyama Nkoyi, na Papa de Jean Louis Cassetti, Wanyini, owura no wayɛ mmerɛ ɔno ankasa deɛ bɛtɔ dwa sɛ hɛ nyame yɛ adom a ɔkyena ɔbɔ ne final game as a manager owie no matter what will happen ɔno Jean Louis Cassette ɛnyɛ adeɛ a ɔbɛba into management of football biem ɔmanage club bia biem ɛno ɛde free up Mame Anslot Liverpool incoming coach next coach adema Liverpool yɛfrɛ no Anslot fa no to page no so ma me deɛ mekyia no sɛ Anslot wasign ne contract no a ɔbɛbɛ Liverpool adwuma ɛnɛ dua yɛ mema breaking news sɛ Anslot ɛnɛ no wasign ne contract no yɛsɛ deɛ bebia yɛ ready na papa no hyɛaseɛ yɛ a ɔpɛ work permit papa no wɔne ne team and the staff ɛbɛba wɔnim sɛ ne bɔkru staff ɔde ba wɔn mo nyinaa hyɛaseɛ a wɔbia pɛ ne work permit ɔmo yɛ ho adwuma with the home office ɔmo yɛ saa adwuma no wie a wɔnom ɛbɛ bepie mu na afei ɔmo ba bɛyɛ adwuma ɛde ma Liverpool mpɔ bɔkɔ ne no ɛde free up DJ China mame aberanteɛ no so owura yɛfɛ Robert Lewandowski deɛ meteɛ ɛne sɛ ɛno akyi bɛbɛyɛ story ɛde ma wo sɛ Robert Lewandowski no French football magazine wɔn ɛdwene ho sɛ ebia ɔmbɛsɛ ma Robert Lewandowski abɛyɛ adwuma anaasɛ Ballon d'Or 2020 deɛ no ma nyi no ɔmde bɛma no yɛsɛ mpanyimfoɔ akɔtena ase sɛ adeɛ no mo yɛnyi afei na abɛyɛ na akɔfa controversies ɛde aba na nkɔfoɔ ɛbɛkyerɛ wɔn adwen na akɔ abibia hɔ ɛnti sɛ sɛ yɛkasa deɛ saa intention of French football magazine sɛ 2020 Ballon d'Or yɛ ɔmo anyie nkɔmde bɛma owura ne din Robert Lewandowski no ɔma drop saa idea no a ɛno ɛde free up a ɛnam de wo nsɛmare ɛto dwa yɛnkɔ yɛkyeɛ ma me saa adeɛ wei wokɔ na akɔwura mu ɛwɔ Europe top 5 leagues na me patcho bra yem Facebook page so Akoma 87% FM most points goals scored goals conceded per game Europe top 5 leagues and I'm Emma Wono Osha first picture na most points per game the 10-year Womenya club the did Bayern 04 Leverkusen wam NLD 2.84 Real Madrid 4 tosumino Inter Milan tosumiensa Manchester City wam tosu 9 Arsenal tosunum PSG wam tosu ensia Bayern Munich atosu enso enwatwe Barcelona enkro Liverpool and Stuttgart wam atosu edu where most points per game after yanko most goals scored per game and also Bayern Munich one bobo kono one na se go do pa ofriwa obeba Bayer 04 Leverkusen no akọ Manchester City obekọ club and did Arsenal PSG Inter Milan no Real Madrid Leipzig Liverpool Stuttgart yanko fewer number of goals conceded no and no Inter Milan one edikan na safi Euro top 5 leagues wo pe teams yam for ball anto matem krana Inter dikan the otosu mienu Real Madrid the otosu 9 Bayer 04 Leverkusen enum Bologna Arsenal etosu ensia enso abekwa Juve Nice Torino, Man City, and a little Metropole, where Europe top 5 leagues, no, and one records, and I'm Diamano, where Rooney, and the 2 Manchester United 4, where Rooney catch Manchester United in penny for, Sasha, Man U team no, or someone built it around Openia, the did Bruno Fernandes, on the young boys, no, Sakobi Mainum. Amad Diallo num Aquadana the day Ganacho num mom build the team no around those boys name Omoma Bruno Enyam it says Bruno our quality Bruno our fighting spirit Omoma can you know say a massive cloud Wamon Pomomo Wamungo Munko sa and favorite team num ko Sarabaya team no one ebetimi and so Arigeni Wamo and so Manchester baby Omuchana and Eddie free upper Jose Mourinho say Yam fan to ja say na huwa Sam branch the thing and Luka Modric. Mama ya where you Luka Modric? A bro joining Real Madrid. One pobo kono 2010. Modi mama ya Luka Modric in here. Yes, our maestro Lukita. Now kwawe pa ye the first season. Omo the worst signing in Europe. One the worst signing in Europe. And votu so ono wasapapa nipa ne pika so mo pano Jose say edu brevina so punko toje e ka champion for say akwadana ni did Luka Modric no minim dia won mu minim dia mahu muma ne mo wababo ose ampa 12 years ni say 13 years or say 14 years ni boy ni kuso a wogina mu airport entro no Jose Mourinho ose branch and dey ade Luka Modric no e ne pride e sansa branch no na so ogina na chi no defend the boy no ɛna mpanyinfoɔ ɛnso ɛte ase ɔma no bɔɔyɛ mame Robin van Persie na memfa nto dwa sɛ wode w'ani kyerɛ mu a Hervin wɔn mpɔ bɔkɔ no ɔmo Dutch Eredivisie sɛ sɛ ɔmo appointed Robin van Persie so ɔmo ama coach ɛnso mfa mo eti Robin van Persie no wɔn na ɛba bɛ coach ɛde ama ɔmo a ɛno ɛde free ɔba Federation of International Football Associations Federation of International Football Associations 5 asɛm na meka yi Federation International Le Football Association wɔn afa adwene wɔn ɛdwene ho sɛ Israel man no wɔn mpɛ so ɔmo yi ɔmo free international football mu ɛsan sɛ Israel wɔn akɔto ahyɛ Palestine so wɔn ne ɔmo ko ɛwɔ mu a na Benjamin Netanyahu wɔde n'asɛm akɔ Lebanon so na wafa yɛ kakra gu hɔ ɛwɔ mu a na wɔde kɔ Syria so na wafa yɛ kakra gu hɔ ɛwɔ mu a na wɔde kɔ Iran na ɔne ɔmo ɛde aba ani yɛsɛ FIFA foɔ ɛfa adwene sɛ ebia ɔmo bɛyi ɔman a ne din ɛde Israel ɛnso ɛde free international football mu a ɛno yɛ kakra ne so free ɔba ɛna mte wo samari ɛto dwa DJ China mame sa Cristiano Ronaldo dos Santos Aveiro ne mfa nyini wei na memfa nto dwa sɛ CR7 ɔpɛ highest paid athlete a China ɔmo nya sika dodoɔ ɛwɔ ɔmo sports ɔmo yɛ ne mu da yie na yɛtwam no a ma sɛ Ronaldo yɛsɛ Ronaldo no ɛne 260 million euros tiɛnie $260 million ɛyɛ Forbes magazine wɔn adade saa deɛ aba abɔnten aberante ne din ɛde John Ram wɔn deɛ yɛ 216 afei bɛkɔ Lionel Messi 135 LeBron James 128.2 no akɔ Giannis Antetokounmpo ɔyɛ $111 million owura ndede kere ne Mbappe $110 million Neymar dos Santos Jr. $108 million Karim Mustafa Benzema Elgato Coco the Cat $106 million Stephen Curry ne deɛ no ɛyɛ $102 million ɛna aberante ne din ɛde Lama Jackson ne deɛ ne $100.5 million a wei ɛyɛ players a anaasɛ athletes a wɔn ɛne sika dodoɔ paa ɛnso ɛwɔ agodie ho nsɛm mu no ɛne ɛde ho nsɛm ɛde ɛto dwa yɛnkɔmfa me matiefoɔ mame goalkeeper ne de Thibaut Nicolas Makoto a sɛ Thibaut Courtois ɛyɛ confirmed Akoma FM on Akoma Sports na confirmed ɛde ama wo sɛ Thibaut Courtois nyame yɛ adom a wɔno ɛna UEFA Champions League ɔbɛda. Yes, the next game at Madrid Ebono, Andre Lunin, Ebeda League game no, na Madrid Abo another league game. San league game at Real Madrid Ebono may confirm at the amount. Said Thibaut Courtois, the last day of La Liga, Thibaut Nicolas Makoto, one and a better post no more, what that post no more, na Madrid Ebo League Rivia, Thibaut Courtois, one UEFA Champions League final. Yeah, Baba so, and so our Wembley, UEFA Champions League final, and also our Wembley no. Thibaut Courtois ɔbɛda post no mu na ɔyɛ adwuma ɛde ama Real Madrid wɔn mpɔ bɔkɔ no a ɛno ɛyɛ confirmed yɛ mede ɛma wɔ sɛ Thibaut Courtois ɛbɛda post no mu ɛde ama Madrid wɔn mpɔ bɔkɔ no na ma memfa nto dwa sɛ Thibaut Courtois ɔne ɔpanyin de Don Carlo Ancelotti ɛkɔyɛ meeting ase ɛna ɔka kyerɛ coach so ɔno Ofilioki ɔno ɔrepete boy na ne din ɛde Andre Lunin na in his absence Andre Lunin ayɛ adwuma na mmom ɔka kyerɛ coach no sɛ nokwasɛm pa ne sɛ Champions League final ɛyɛ small details ɛna ɛtumi amianya Champions League final ɛyɛ nneɛma nketenkete on that day Real Madrid ɛntumi ntake risk sɛ bia Andre Lunin ɔyɛ akwadaa no akwadam na stage na fa no na akɔakɔyɛ mistake so ɔyɛ mistake a ɛbɛ affect team no ɛntia no ɛyɛ adeɛ a ɛfiri wɔn pa Thibaut Courtois wɔne mpanyinfoɔ no nyakɔyɛ meeting a wɔakyɛkyɛm akyɛ ɔmo so ɔyɛ fit ɔbɛtumi ada wɔnom ɛma ne na Mame William Estival na memfa nto dwa sɛ aberanteɛ ne din ɛde William Estival seesei Chelseafoɔ na ɛhwerɛ deɛ ne mu sɛ Messino wɔnom ɛɛsign no na deɛ kyɛ nie ɔman adecide sɛ yes akwadaa no ne release clause Chelsea sɛ ɔmbɛtua mmɔ atiefoɔ nkyɛ ne yie ne release clause no Chelsea sɛ ɔmbɛtua mmɔ deɛ nti ɔmo tua mmɔ ɛne sɛ ɔmo kɔ increase sika no ne yɛ spread ɛde ama ɔmo saa deɛ no Chelsea mo under Todd Boehly ɔmo ayɛ bi wɔmo kɔtɔ Nicholas Jackson no na nkɔm bɛtumi atɔ no around 27-28 million euros ɔmo yɛ adeɛ no 35 ɛna ɔmo spread the payment no over a period nti ɛnoa bi ɛne arrangement ɔmo sɛ ɔmo de kɔ a ɔmo de saa deɛ no ɛkɔ Mame N'Golo Master Kante ne yɛmfa nto dwa sɛ N'Golo Kante yɛnkasa wowura ma Didier Deschamps wɔde ne squad ɔde kɔ the Euros and yes ɔde kɔ Euros no ɛnya aba abɔnten mɛda se wei ɛyɛ squad a wɔnom ɛde kɔ European Championship ɛno ɛna ɔhwɛ squad no mu a ɔfrɛ goalkeeper Afonso Areola ɔfrɛ Maynard ɛna ɔfrɛ Samba aberante de Jules Koundé ne din ɛwom Klaus ɛdi wom Benjamin Pavard ɔfrɛ aberante ne din ɛde Ibrahima Konate Saliba Upamecano Tio Hernandez ɛna afei ɔfrɛ Mendy ɛka ho ɔfrɛ aberanteɛ ne de ɛde Eduardo Camavinga ɛwɔ middle hɔ Fofana egyina mu bi obenya Adrian Rabiot Warren Zaire Emery obenya Chomani obenya Griezmann no onya N'Golo Kante ɛna afei so okɔ forwards na Osman Dembele wafrɛ Kingsley Coman Olivier Giroud Kolo Toure wafrɛ Kolo Muani aberanteɛ de Mbappe Thuram ɛna Bakola wɔyɛ players a ɔmo nyina no wafrɛ ɔmo so ɔmo mmra na ɔmo mayɛ adwuma wonim sɛ aberanteɛ de Eddie Olise wɔno ɔfiri France yɛamfrɛ no ɛna yɛ nkɔfɔ nwanwa sɛ Michael Olise fɔm a wapeke wowuram ɛwɔ Crystal Palace wowuram wɔ Premier League na wohwɛ bɔɔl a Michael Olise ɛbɔ a still mpanyinfoɔ amfrɛ no ɛtinya deɛ a wɔno nso ɛbɛwura mu na wakɔ akɔbɔ bia ɛno ɛyɛ kakra firi ɔba yɛde wo nsɛm no ɛde atotwa ɛde ama natiefoɔ ɛwɔ Akoma 87.9 FM yɛnwura mu na afei yɛmfa nsɛm no nsi abra DJ China ɛwɔ Facebook room hɔ abusuapanyi Samia Champo atena ase yɛgye mu na abusuapanyi ɛde deɛ aka nyinaa ɛde atoa so ha Akoma 87.9 FM
Pepe Suarez the Lion ɔpanyi ɛno ana wo papa sɛ nti bisa sɛ ya na wo ready free sheet so ana
yɛse yɛyɛ research na nti
nti pepa ne da w'anim na wohwɛ sɛ yɛ presentation na na
dabi mehwɛ firi ade foforɔ sɛ ɛnyɛ pepa deɛ advert ne gu yi nti ɛnyɛ pepa so na mehwɛ but yɛredi adeɛ na yɛayɛ ho adwuma yɛn ana yɛayɛ production bibia nti
ɛde ama Facebook room
yɛ production room no nti ɛtɔ so a wonim ade kora a wode ba na sɛ wayɛ no sa pɛpɛpɛ sa ne tiam sɛ
Original Saint yes oba no ɛna ayi wa no na ha Akoma 87.9 FM yɛgu so yɛde Akoma Sports ɛbrɛmo Jovi ɛwɔ yɛn nkyɛ yɛbɛkɔ sɔfo de na kodi nkɔmɔ Basaraf ma memra wɔ so na yɛnhwɛ amanane nsɛm pii na esisi ɛwɔ deɛ toto Barcelona deɛ Bayern Munich for nso FM na afei wotwa wani ɛhwɛ the EPL Pep ɛkɔ press conference ne nsɛm a wakɔka Pep sorry before sorry no
yeah
Pep titles o kita in the ne command turn ne yam
dabi
said the quest for another too high
dabi so quest said the bia Akoma FM abɛwɔ soro no wɔ soro ana dabi wa ba no decide sɛ na deɛ yɛnya adwumaden nti obi a woyɛ serious in life bia no that's what you do for everybody obi a woyɛ serious in life bia no that's what you do you always want to get better and yes as a Pep any brace over J League you know especially in see that's why J League in 4 at also in the history of the EPL a been see that and that alone is something that will motivate him to go ahead. The great Alex Ferguson, who is the greatest manager in the history of the Premier League by distance obia meno waje 13 so na yentimi discussion bia mfa ho say e bia wabaji bia to so nji no wo meno I to say Real Madrid na Champions League 14 e bia ma me fa Chelsea no mu money nye na the next 5 seasons na Chelsea Champions League 5 at so ne ye discuss say Chelsea better than Madrid na yen duru ho yen start that discussion because just o G14 and son yenya discussion so okay e bia we 14 na tesan
but bet me spark debate o say Ferguson J13
yeah
but wanye antoa so for
it's not unnecessary
antoa so for
me talk car my talk private jet ma ko 15 me the 30 years na toy and now what is who is can what to say abom in a year do is catch I mean that cannot be a debate that cannot be a discussion no you want to do it just because you want to do it but so say because me were 13 but me there no 4 and to us about there no when you 4 to us you na 6 do we are there check the 13 you can do that discussion yes I to be abeka say said we nim there o yeti no kwasema e wo me say Alex Ferguson kra no wanti mo anye 4 eti pep so o je sa there and now okay bia na cross party debate of course we will not allow it say this when it comes to intellectual discourse we will not allow anybody to say oh je 4 to us why are they check the whole 13 that we cannot allow it but at least some people somewhere can begin to do that discussion to say Zidane beje Champions League 3 to us on say the bin see that but now in the history of the Champions League na kazano ni managers no manage 3 na sano na Pep Guardiola and now na Pep aje the 3rd Champions League so now untimi nka say Zidane eya de champ Pep because Zidane dey na twaso Pep dey na 1 ya je 3 but we can talk about the flamboyance now the G and Pep ni abre o say o bompa say 10 minutes
wo nya
na ko lead 3 o say ni ko be
no answer say enya possible
but say onya show say besi o say ni ko be sere o sa yam fanto say breaking news is here Kopama a win 2023-2024 Premier League young player of the season.
Okay.
Na Cole Palmer no Japan China mama Cole Palmer picture na no. Ni phone Ralph o twam unsa Chelsea ko camp. And I fast and I check Cole Palmer. Na ni phone e kura no. The da ani no mo fa say screen saver na say China mo no munim. Ya fa say ne lock screen no. Or the PFA Player of the Year award no title no. I know they in a lock screen. Yes, boy no of them brutal so be PFA.
Down except for mo Johnny wa Akoma 87. Yes. Now
Cole Palmer ni bro.
Na say before I win the net da wa na.
Young player dey no wa je we main PFA Player of the Year no.
Okay.
And on the phone lock screen and na da so.
Wow.
Eti we the PFA Player of the Year cuz anya young no. Young no dey no nim so wa je da. But PFA Player of the Year no. Uko Cole Palmer phone so phone ni kura no. Ena odi aye ne lock saver say award no ogidie Cole Palmer no 22 goals 27 goals involvement akwada ni abrabusia
yen hwe se beba so sorry ena wote ne nka no sorry akwaba
yeja
na so waye din bi say
nye bibia
as waye din ya dey
bia e fine
na wo gira ha o so wo be gira me ncha ya
bia
ale
yen ko sem no so
bibia e fine ana me ma so video dance we was ya oda
nkrane kanti
me so ya me yi now
enya no
I don't know why you do that love.
Oh, we have had a very, very stressful day.
Kafra, wabre. Young say attention no war EPL no so. Weekendi bibi ebetimi asesa. Ana ye kwone sa se wo hwe EPL na City e win omo game a omo afa. Se omo slip kakra even a draw. Na se Arsenal etimi win a Arsenal afa. Weekendi family room Arsenal ebo Everton. City ebo West Ham omo mienu nyina City Arsenal omo nyina obi ebo home yenhwem kakra wan energy EPL no ansa ne aba other issues no.
Well, I think a very me sure say it's on the card say Manchester City better it here ama West Ham ababe take points from them ama Arsenal afa ho de age trophy no. I don't think say be see unfortunately for us now, omo destiny akwa the hands of Man City and our West Ham. But you see, yana ye kase normally say the wild destiny show in somewhere. Yana it is better. Okase Man City any West Ham Asia. Na hope say West Ham enko take point of Man City. Say the beya Arsenal betimi agia na ebia o share. Manchester City from this particular getting into the run-in of the title race and has been phenomenal. And me knew which club ne be to me stop here. City in the last 5 games, Ashe 11, Ashe over 17 goals in the last 5 games. 2-0 against Tottenham, 4-0 against Fulham, 5-1 against Wolves, 2-0 against Nottingham Forest, 4-0 against Brighton. Now they compare West Ham apart from losing 3-1 almost West Ham losing 5-0 match Chelsea. West Ham about 2-2 drawn game with Liverpool. West Ham losing 5-2 the ma West Ham the Crystal Palace. West Ham the bar Leverkusen. But in the last 5 games at West Ham abono Oma conceded 6-8 13 Oma conceded 14 goals. In fact in 2 games there in 2 games, almost conceded 10 goals in the game against Chelsea and the Crystal Palace. Such a team, so our expectations are no never best stopping Man City. Now why fair to fair to Man City? I don't see any reason how or why West Ham ever be taking points of Manchester City. There be. It's a football there. I mean, a football and all that. But see, David Moyes team, no. In fact, the reason why I mean, no, because West Ham, so we hire a new manager is the fact that David Moyes is disappointed, and David Moyes losing with a certain level of embarrassment. Why you careful? I mean, Chelsea to me, West Ham is 5. Crystal Palace to me, 5. Fulham, Arsenal, 5. So the way West Ham lose or losing, it wouldn't be fair, say, or on a day a City per points, much needed points, and they are winning. Mekai City the Queen's Park Rangers. Now, the last day of the season, now Aguero winning goal now or say, you know, after Edinjeku, I should go. Abnaba Abaye 1-1. Now Edinjeku nya last minute goal for City. City enim sad any. I mean, they leave it late. Omone obekwa akusi, but omon drop momentum, omon drop omo fire, and has been the character. And
there's always a first time.
No, yes, there's always a first time, but I don't see how one. In fact, with West Ham, no, West Ham motivated to even go into this particular game. And
why from the
no. West Ham psychologically, West Ham bomb season we cry. On say. Nanka West Ham hope is season ending them because West Ham were very, very frustrated with results and no munya. West Ham no munya happy with David Moyes nyama na ekoso. West Ham Brad David Moyes here adwuma na West Ham enka hwenche na West Ham any other coaches edin komo. David Moyes was very, very angry about sir disrespect to the extent that Ruben now West Ham legends need be feel for a manager in some 40 something years after Wabeji first European trophy diama West Ham no na undeserved that disrespect say o coachy on pamono and so now only other managers didn't come say oh consider the future. This particular season West Ham has just 59 goals. I concede 71 goals. Upper class or ma concede goals. Let me just give you a picture of West Ham situation. No? Okay. Burnley relegation. Burnley are conceded 76 goals. West Ham at the 9th position. West Ham are conceded 71 goals. Wow. The difference between West Ham and AE has just about 5 goals. The person make a question says, "Senior West Ham players need be more goals, mama." So for West Ham, no, almost stay in the league because of the scoring, no. Seba because Kudus Ebobi Bowen Shegu Eshebi Ward Prowse Eso Eshebi Toda na Antonio Ababi Shemiti. Their scoring seems to have kept them in the league because almost 59 goals. Open so analyzing West Ham situation. Nottingham Forest are at the 17th position. Nottingham Forest are conceded 66 goals. West Ham are conceded 71 goals. Open so understand that Brentford are conceded 61 goals. Everton situation. Everton are conceded 49 goals. Fulham are conceded 59 goals. Was West Ham actually kopim. The only team at West Ham West Ham are conceded goals. Luton and Sheffield. We looked in Sheffield every Honma in the whole Premiership now. Yabon West Ham and yet the third highest team. Yes, highest conceding team. We just 2 teams now are more relegated. No, every Honma West Ham and yet the third team are conceding the highest number of goals, and that is very, very unfortunate. So for David Moyes, and it is because of scoring. The West Ham negative, West Ham it's stay in the league by virtue of almost scoring ability. So but defensive inquiry, I want to say yana me catch yana say team you on ma oji odi baby with the defensive approach. Obi nso came with the offensive approach, and West Ham baby omo one a offensive approach. No, when I say almost scoring rate and I do omo da ho no.
59.
Yes,
no consider 71.
Yes, 71, and the 71, the 71 no, the third highest after Luton 81 goals or conceded, and Burnley 76, and Sheffield the fourth highest. Now, yes. That's the number person can 2% sa team ni ko share City. Now say sitting to me no. They na pesa oka.
But say yes so mo bon so say
enti Arsenal is hoping say West Ham because West Ham will not concede more than less than 3 goals. The West Ham hope say Arsenal hope say West Ham kwa share City be 4-5 goals. That is impossible because if you look at City so least number of
games on Sunday
yes,
at 3 p.m.
at the same time. And for me, I'm not looking at it from the perspective. If you look at it from every angle, you know West Ham will be in the last 5 games at West Ham. Oma losing miensa, Oma draw bako, Oma win bako. West Ham doesn't look good, and Obia or expect to say West Ham will do a magic against Manchester City. Now just one person will be real about football. You know, in fact, one real game no Andrew Bear first 15-20 minutes. Now game no will be a judge because and many sure say West Ham be stretch at the end of their call last minute. We created drama and suspense. They don't have the capacity. What's a Kezuma? I don't see any. I don't see how they will prevent Manchester City from scoring. I cannot see it. I don't see it. Man City be outscore more and they would outscore them big time. And so for me, let's forget about that particular game. No, Arsenal will win that game. I mean, let's not go there. No, Arsenal they need to win and hope. Say Arsenal need to mean No, I think City has won the league and Aston Villa they will look back with that home and away defeat to Aston Villa. And I think that Arsenal regretted this particular game because if they had just even their one game a point just a home victory crowd over Aston Villa and maybe we are talking about something different. Unfortunately, I'm quite Kobanisa. Mamenko Barcelona. Hey, Barca sutimi yen century wo kromu how. Na Xavi say also won Xavi. No say season ni be wie ya. And after Villarreal game ni ba so no. About 13 stretch of matches without a defeat. And I'm more crazy. I'm certain as in I'm say one reporter when our friends opening Brani and San Kebio. Na more convincing. I'm a brandy no. Ajiatum say enyeshi. A club. So asema to one on to me enja omo obeye adwuma no. Now oko pre match. Mamenka asemcho omoni Ameria game na omo no Barca Ameria game na en round.
Yeah. And Barca won.
Dekwa anko. Na Laporta so anko. We say won ye adwuma wo Barcelona na we so say or engagement bi wo Portugal. Tie me. Ebufu yenti amobuafo ni say Xavi call interview no and somehow wakoka no an indictment on the club. Xavi call
we need 3-0 again.
Yeah. Eti question be said they are some no beka they encourage Barcelona fans say they can look up to the next season with hope and na Xavi answer ni o say the Barcelona fans need to understand we are in a difficult situation. Okay. Barca for nyina yan kanche mo say mre mu odin ani yegum sa asem ye ba ne ye be kan ya na Barca fans ni bi nti ase especially on the economic side. This is Xavi as they say no person sika sem no ye wo ahohia mo. He said our financial situation is not the same as 20 years ago. O person o kire say
next we are expose o mo ana
asem o kan ni your Onye secrets. He's telling them the reality, and so catch and say can inspire the fans.
So music as 20 years
yes,
ago.
He says that the presenter no Yen Central for ya be nebi say can be supporters in Ukraine. Say be next season you be league. No say mean to
ago na so waka be 2004.
Yeah, mean to me yes sir. Yen country supporters no mon tiase no krene ne say nyoma ye den e wo sika fam o kan was say sika fam yes nyoma ye den tactical nyoma ye den on the paper nyoma ye den sika sem. Maybe I just want us to listen to verbatim. I say he said I want to sign when the club manager says I want to sign this player and that player. That was 20 years ago. 20 years ago now your club manager members will not make us me pay way. The fans have to realize we need to adjust to our situation. I am doing it and we will do it together as a club. That does not mean we won't compete. Until the person can say, Munyintum, Nyamwayed. And to say, Basana Munim na dada. No, Opeway, Messi, near Fanabra. Upe Neymar ni akwako fanaba. Mepe Dembele ni akwako fanaba. Mepe Felipe Coutinho and found 100 and something years. Now the situation has changed. enti me nka se player we me player we ana me player we enti no kra ne say munyintum say things are difficult. Yes. Now owie no na Laporta ne enye happy because they feel say Xavi betray one. Yes, we betray one.
Because say there were rumors out there, but I say we best temple say ampan some na moti ni nyina no.
According to Laporta person say when they met Xavi to convince him, Xavi felt say no or optimistic say with the squad no. Obet me they are compete. That's why Laporta mo enye happy with him. If or say my way aware say with the lives of Yama, Kebasi, Pedri, and Lewandowski money or one make count. Obet to me they are compete. Until ono eno na ma omo adwen omo say any ye situation na ye wo mu no. He is the right person because only the otiase no was my assurance say obekombi na endi be na nsa na wakosia nsensrofo ne ye bisa wa wo say. But supporters need to say Barcelona situation no assessor. And they feel say that is a sharp contrast of the way you sounded confident.
I agree with
that. Say you sounded so confident and my energy would say, see about find another manager, no be complaining saying to oh dear. What you say so bet me the players see are competing.
Again after 68 minutes, war Brankesi Nations lead Accra Lions by a goal to nil. You about 68 minutes. Nations FC 1, Accra Lions 0. Abrankesi.
Again, something's. Omujiri said the way Papa no air Casano. The Barcelona squad is competitive and it can rival Real Madrid. Now you can some sure. And this is their reason.
That's right.
Another reason Laporta he disappointed Paraf. And he said, "Osi ekwa mo fa sunya Robert Lewandowski de ma Xavi no." Xavi told them, they sat down as a board, or see, take you days. The approach said, Xavi is up A-class striker.
Yes.
A-class striker, and one year Kofano. And as Xavi named Lewandowski, or see up a striker, or Tessa Karim Benzema more level.
Yes.
At that time, remember, Benzema was still at Real Madrid. And Jomo say, the strategy we use here to convince Abrante did Lewandowski. And I've told you that this season, Lewandowski will earn 38 million euros as salary at Barcelona. 38 million. And almost Felice last season, players are cast open. The Omania money about Cope. Almost some per be also convince what's the name? Ike Gundogan. And they feel that Omoye enough at the manner. I also appreciate his squad almost up at the manner. I squad enough to compete. But if you go out there now, man, say they feel that as someone kind of party say. And yet, into a case, Ralph just added that part. I also say, but in Chelsea we cannot compete because I said no kind of man say, that's the okay. Yeah, Barcelona are not in to compete for anything. I say no, even though these are the issues, but we can still compete. And the Barcelona board no, but remember say, Sami Tina called some Koji Xavi Tumuno. Now it was championed by Laporta. Board members in say, the performance for Europe no. They don't feel say a quality in Tina. Yani PG Jacoba Yasha PG 3-2. Na PG Besha 4-1 and quality. They feel that technical decisions. Omo feel is a quiet fast wa. Okay, Europa League nebe you free home. Na quality issues. Na coaching issue. Enti no mo nyina impressor da. Ana papa na convincing nti say ama Laporta no mama no ogina na chi no. Ana Laporta bu ofu say okoye say dia as what mama right. Again he said something I'm gonna question Barca is run on the emotions of one Laporta pebia and 1 year and as a more team no and one of the first a year ama say issue as about me say quite embarrassing say a coach was said to be leaving by the end of the season. Then after the announcement came, press conference. Now, if Kabiru Benya press conference, no, I want to bam you know, Rafokai. No, means Omoya 4. No, my son said the Omuko cake. I have just few weeks ago. Yeah. Then the decision now is that the last match of they may sack him tonight.
Just to run up, and then again, in the last 2-3 seasons, so significant Barcelona and Luzi, it's only Dembele And in Dembele, they have somebody like Yamin. And they feel say, if you compare Dembele with Yamin, quality no and Sulebre. So that's their point. Yes. Accra numbers was 20. They feel say, if you want to analyze the squad critically, Rafinha, Lewandowski, Yamal, Pedri, if you put the squad critically together, Kunde, if you put them together, it was competitive. Point, but the way you're cutting on us, what can I say? France should understand say quality financially we cannot compete. It's not like now player be any brown. And to all manner sound they say we are not good enough to compete.
Xavi insisted on
it.
But after say
can Frankie de Jong. And according to the Barca board, they rejected 120 million euros to keep Frankie de Jong because you said you needed him. And the players Frank Kessie, you said you don't need him. But we needed to cash in because Barcelona hochereno. And Tomu Busan said, him for no yam, we mean no more amane koroma cash in. But Omo insisted yedina.
Omo keep you.
And Omo kofa Ike Gundogan because none the problem no or catch on your midfield say or pair a controller in the middle who can calm the nerves of the players when there is pressure. And Tomu the captain of Manchester City, Ike Gundogan, at Nabrel. I keep Lewandowski. Now Saudi phone did achieve with money. They rejected that. And they feel hugely disappointed. Say, as we be our press conference, as I said, you enough man, your man squad as well compete. In fact, board members need be argument. They say, check it and the comment on Victor Rook. Victor Rook, Barcelona Tono, 35 million. Now so about Samai.
Yes.
And Barcelona, why Xavier insisted say you want the boy in January. And about January. No. Now on the press conference was say a Brandon Richie love where the Barcelona no. To untest you say and Uko Spain actually some that was Barcelona for any first top Brazilian players. Na Florentino Perez kwa Okofa Vini, Okofa Rodrigo, Wafa Hendrick. Omo koya omo Victor Roque omo coach ne say onu ba bi obobo Europe kra. Enti issues no I'm loving the discussion.
Yes.
Prof. Chairman.
Yeah, Prof. So a case of so it's not really about tactics. And yeah about Ibia for now basically they felt say Javier akoto anwagwe wako say bibia by virtue of the interview here. Because when you analyze Barca squad, apart from Sergio Busquets, Dembele or more free squad anymore. It's almost for the past, no significant departures. Beyond us, say Obi.
So squad in the free some Messi free.
Yeah, and what they say this now another thing they say. They activated levels to be able to get some players for Xavi.
Okay,
that is where players no omunya play nti no. They want to say who's Xavi no. Who's Xavi no can be because everyone man now per player. Scanning ni ho. Nti na what say ye financial engineering on friend the activation of lever. Ni ye bibi ni ye de cover player na de bro. Nti and sasa wo can say the club is in financial when you know that the financial situation Barca no a more of player recruitment and the Barca akwa situation no mo and you are part because who can be the activating levels. I mean, they are quite players.
Say, coaches who are yet. Time or more.
Yankas Maximiliano Allegri has been sacked. Yes, Juve was Apamo
just now.
Okay, another breaking news.
And he nearly a kaki 2% or book for referee now. And you know, OD Coppa Italia.
Atlanta.
Or Ron is ni jacket.
No, catching so basiano.
Tuto Sports director. Tuto Sports director.
Okay, so
no be train no be born here no what we na so dey free ho eti ono so just in omo asaki coach dey say na
Shadia sorry
yeah remember Thomas Tuchel Marafu yes Thomas Tuchel and so as a press conference as we huru ban no also when you call say free Premier League when you call say free Serie A Judy Mumfa.
No, that's the truth. That's a new credible.
Omum keep Jamie. And Obeka is okay, Obeko. And now, Omoa San Ban and him so 13 games unbeaten, a video on the Sanaji. No, to Wajitum. Say on a club, no, or a club legend. You see, when they are in difficulties and Yafina, Uja Omo. Say eya asem a wakoka e wo press conference na se no nko a ana basafo nso ntimi mfa nto nchen no munye say one coaches mo ayedin no mun keep papa ne sa adwuma mo betimi aye
basa position a political position
politics into
an indictment no so we indict one a implication and to say bia club be and beyond that even the Barcelona hierarchy themselves nankasa no say a coach indict the board and then the club indict almost it's an indictment. It can be used as a political campaign against where Javier Casse you're ready for competition supporters yen canon Thomasum and we know say yes say yen compete but
I'm so oralize say waka nkwa asem nti so common names kakra no dey no
we say I am fully motivated.
Where from the motivation?
I am fully motivated to continue.
Nobody in my back room has told me.
Now, no, Amir, Deco anko.
Yes.
Ana Laporta so anko. Omumi enu nyina obia so oye bibi. Yeah, we so ko Portugal, we so oye meeting. And clearly, asem no na ya na mintia asem de enke no kre. That the situation in me akra meka
enya no kre bia na
enya no kre bia na ye kasa na Javi situation akoye.
Javi situation and on still our Brankese after 78 minutes Nations FC 1 Accra Lions 0 yababa nya behwe with 30 of the Ghana Premier League but for now there so is you say pass and same ye Bayern say what is happening. These are giants of the champions over Europe. Omoya kesifu then etum na fe but before that mama miss out EPL no bibi betimi asi ana City champions
City baji dia na besi
City bo West Ham Arsenal
so can West Ham was omoya ade
so West Ham na nsan bi na kudus mo ke kabom na omo hwegu
yes o ka ze na nsan bi
ana atiko
kura nya kura
o ma Kabiru asre
yes o ka ze na nsan bi game bi any there is no game to be played makacho said bibi betima si sa de ye
so it's football asem de ye kan you
nti na me say bibi betima si but me tie yi there is nothing on paper for me unless I want to be a soothsayer and say mawura honhum no
na me abie wani
and na mahu say besi but sabon na ye ko bona West Ham team yo mo ne Man City ko boy
ti you say bi akra na fa kan bi Arsenal for no comment on
Man City West Ham for na ye anhwe ya Man City betima 6 8 7 a fanfare on be show mo sa
about 10 minutes na ko hwe so big
on bet much sa de money but as you said football is full of uncertainties so 99 for Man City and 1% for Leicester Gili
Ravi and 100-0
just say the possibility say be say you bontia the possibility be say e bia na abruche kwa de bi ni o ka City fan bi tisi no that you ball every 3 ma na ye jabo na ye declare mo losers ya ti o mo 3 points e bi ni abruche ntebuti abani eden na Hansen Papsino Gerrard e wo UAE you say Raf Momwama Basanko IMF enko pe IMF bailout e bia no ene be boa because finances enya ho na okọ yes it Hansen Papsino Gerrard so mo enko abani now the situation of Bayern Munich.
Okay.
Now, if you go to Germany today, all the major tabloids, all the major news outlets, OBS Bayern Munich, Bobukun.
And then at home.
Bayern Munich for na say, womu coach na coach na no money no ho. Omu ntimi no ento adwuma no so. And on by announcement say omo reach agreement say coach no omu ebeja no kwan. It was a penny performance of Bayern Munich at the time one eteki sad decision no na only omo ya adwene ye because for a club like Bayern Munich omo the in fact all clubs are structured in year powers as is wa Bayern anya number 1 wo be two omo no be check wo be breze wo be two omo Bayern finances yanti bi da say Bayern in financial crisis Bayern e bi ni ho Bayern Munich in terms of even their business how they do their business normally Bayern e go player won't obenwan say o mato no
edem
no ma yawi enti for Bayern to be in a situation where we approach about 5 different coaches na sa coaches nyina turn it down, then there is a problem, especially
and
when
they have so omunye coaches be omukita Real Madrid, Barcelona be a Liverpool. As but
Bayer omama adwuma ne ye no. No, you Bayer sacks a coach after winning the treble. Bayer sacks a coach, Howard first. He's competing for league. He's competing in the Champions League. He's competing the almost Nagelsmann Yajao.
But
at times you don't understand.
Is that why?
But Madrid sakiche Bayern. But Madrid coach CCA. Coach is Madrid cried o pam o dan. Madrid say
because me who Real Madrid legends. Managers. That's the situation. Hey, Bayer omunyina your coaches. Omunyina Bayer legends ni omunyina football directors. Enti obi a wabo Bayer bia the German basically about the German legends, all of them are about me. No, enti we say can defer na ebi a will honestly na that's about Bayer and omuma adwuma ne enti Thomas you ko interview na or reply legend bia someone what can no reply.
Yeah.
At times it's not fair on him.
And you see what's happening.
How do they handle this?
Xabi Alonso turned the job down. We are hearing say
Coach Leverkusen.
Omo ben Xabi Alonso they catch say you can go to Bayern and after 4 months they will sack you. And Omo be sack you at the time AB Champions League who could have 100% record.
As
AB League no that's all. DFB Pokal was semi-final but they are able to sack you. When him say bra Omo sack Julian Nagelsmann. Na Bayern were in the DFB Pokal. Now, 100% record in the UEFA Champions League. No league, no more last season.
No, almost why they also
and one almost say
Ojai
team no call holiday girlfriend. Was a young guy. That guy is, I think, he's less than 35 years or 34 or so. And on a free period, can you be them? And on a girlfriend, a very young girlfriend, no call. Say, baby, I no more years, skating, ice, and will cool be. But all con one cry.
They felt the club was in some no
bad results.
I don't know legends the cast of one manager club
no mapama. And Xabi Alonso, I'm gonna try some convince Julian Nagelsmann. But at the time, no more convince Nagelsmann. They didn't know, say, I'm gonna didn't come on. Now Nagelsmann, German national team never be fan. And quickly, the German football federation they have been here fast and I'm go fan.
The 36-year-old
36 years. I'm fan na German national team no so in crisis. How be kaya? Be bien working for German national team no. And we buy no best stabilize German national team.
Yeah.
And I'm paying for so okay. And you want stabilize the team no there. Build never call Euros no. Na go board the World Cup 2026. Enti or turn down the job. I'm the penny Ralf Rangnick there. Shocking, and that is what as a and page for transit and discuss it, the real issues there. This Ralf Rangnick, he's respected in Germany as a top coach, but in terms of achievements, Ralf Rangnick when what they table no so ebini ho. Obianim say unya buy na jumana. It is an opportunity for you to make your CV sweet. It is an opportunity for you to enrich your CV and make it look very good. Ralf Rangnick, after say Bayern ending the team komo, mas ebelmo. Ralf Rangnick akachom say only the Austrian Football Federation has signed a contract. Or yeah, juma the momo, and omo bebo Euros nibi. But then omo decided okay they will talk to, and the coach omo say omo to have 3 million euros as compensation they accepted. Omo accepted and omo send the contract no. Mail, mail contract no come Ralf Rangnick. Ralf Rangnick, actually, Muyen reply say, "Or you're happy with conditions, he will fly to Germany to come and sign."
Okay.
2 days later, he calls them on phone and tells them, "Oh, sorry."
Wow.
Oh, to me, my Germany be. It was also and rejected German. Missy B. Bianyam say Oliver Glasner there. Send Oliver Glasner who coach Crystal Palace.
Crystal Palace coach.
Now, by Munich bar. Crystal Palace.
Where a promotion ultimate quantify you.
Now him.
Over Crystal Palace Babayana.
Crystal Palace for some 100 million euros as compensation. In January. And I buy and sell music 18 million. the Bayern expecting is a coach in the pressure but to Crystal
Say, I
Palace
want to
say, I
go.
want to go. Lower your things. Naminko. Coach no ankabi asam no ankabi.
Wow.
So the only thing you can read is the personal interest in joining Bayern Munich was not there. So one person oba, then Bayern will push. No man negotiate be 18 now 20 25. Papa no adwene na amaso anyen komodie ni bi wankeka bi saa.
Wow. A club no nya attractive bio. And materials ni ni ho. And I said then
Bayern nya attractive. League ya Bayern anye. League ya Bayern anye. Omo better materials say obi a Germany by far.
So what is
strike kan ekrom no obi ani bi wo Germany. Jamal Musiala na ball no obon. Pep Guardiola na uja na say o ton sa boy no 150 million pounds obeton de na Manchester City. Leroy Sané mo bo Serge Gnabry mo bo. Enti anya say bi obi wo quality chen o mo bani. A sister football team o mu ana wakọ no anya sa blip na kakra, but I think that the coaches are not comfortable with the current managerial structure of Bayern Munich club no, and that may be why omo nyina rejected you. For Thomas Tuchel there. On na tie adwuma so a oye.
On na hoso was real mon.
Yes, I say when your contacts be free England.
Why that comment?
When your contacts be every. In fact, what I'm hearing now, say ebia utie no adwen say papa na call a year which Manchester for no interest in
United.
Manchester United interest in said anyway, but Juve for na asake omo coach no. Omo target ba Thomas Tuchel. Thomas
the Champions League winner.
Amna baba adwuma no e dia mo ntem so bani buying situation no quite unfortunate today. This Manchester United team is still attractive to managers. Top managers not just managers, top managers. And Manchester United papa ya ono so rejected by adwuma Thomas Tuchel on the entourage no omo in constant touch with Manchester United onya obekoma you Man United Bayern. I think that a nipa no mo ewo around Bayern club this is here no, and a coach is comfortable, agents are comfortable. Hansi Flick should just say, I'm happy to be back to Germany to coach Bayern Munich. But this Hansi Flick looking for a job, no Barca Juma say AC Milan no mudin komo. There is Bayern Munich, you are talking to AC Milan. I think that Bayern for no and maybe how almost structure team no a problem kakra at the moment, and it may be a problem for them.
It may be a problem for them. Mamento nka kakra bi. Wo sha problem no den. Aden ti na Bayern ene Barcelona coaching ho ye den amomo. And then in England when the league no City afọ mo de anase Arsenal ebetimi awura me pick few calls and sana yaba local issues no so 03224 9035 0243 114497. Mamento nka Bayern and Barcelona problem ne yeden na afi eba league na Jenko England City Agile EPL na anasa Arsenal ebetumi abam. Hello, good afternoon.
Good evening.
Fajo odin ba bia kasa free.
You from Osaka Mozama kuma sa hinsa na
Fanyi yetio.
Me che Mozama na be o tie me blay. Na sir we your coach. Let's who coach Germany. Now what the Champions League with the first then walk of finance. Next year pamwa. We are coach now about so we embe show. Blah. Over slow. Some new quay. Then I'm quite young fan. Then me eba pami. Instead of more mun coach no. Na England leg no so the idea sit age leg no thing. Then see age no. Chemo zan do tie. Bye bye.
Thank you. Hello, good afternoon. Hello.
Hello, good evening, Abu Japan.
Eba so odin ba bia kasa free.
But a friend Michael Gasa free ejiso on ya benase.
Ekentio kakra bi.
Na Abu Japan na takra meka na say we are there Man City in the league because there is nowhere over one team and I say Western United between actually Man City da. We so mudi one ground Man City be should be actually on me say 5 and 6. And Kenya there Arsenal between the league.
Hello, good evening.
Good evening.
Paso odin ba bia kasa free.
FM Nana o mekasa free offense into.
Nana yanko.
The investor mechanic say Sunday the league need the Arsenal bet my league no. West Ham maybe leave the West Ham bet my one day. I'm Arsenal at the league no. That's favorite.
Open you over me was through. Hello, good evening.
Brother, man.
Hey, Uncle.
I'm a more near the phone about and maybe I can't do one somebody. I'm not from Poma South, so watch him on the Gano. Brother, man, the name, the best. As a supporters, no money are brethren say. Opportunity to show them. What you have opportunity in Najuma. No much here. Last day, or born is right. Now, what some members of the show, Medina, did you deal with this year? You know, Manchester, Manchester, and now, share coaches, and why are they among Barcelona? Any Bayano, also I say, Cotaconato, they supporters no matter results. If you want results, no matter young, almost who was you in one from Power, and you know what is both things, you know.
And I say, hello.
Good evening.
Would you never be our free?
I'm Pache from my father, because I feel sensible before.
You.
Pache, but the vampire Sanka asked a bit my due and Catotium and Quay City, and then by my man, you need a bomb pass asked a bit my daily dream. That's it.
Where's I'm Quay City, my own?
That's
it. Hello. Yes, sir.
And I have more money I've been to.
Nana Yanko.
They are India by a putting your coach in the legend. No. Legend for no more place at the I know money will be received and more legend now.
But I say, hello, last caller.
Hello.
That's all dinner by Alcasa free.
Yeah, Medina, Owen, we are Mao, once. As Nadia, Marjano. Kadana almost na home now almost lose to us. Elano. Kadana na legin 3 women. No one no. Almost under the where Timmy Legisa as is matches there. Home no lose. No no. Iti.
Owen, that's it. My first segment we NC ya besa da ba ni abepeke mo course no. Ye befie na fie na ye ba no. After 94 minutes, ya about 90 minutes na we referee show 7 minutes of time added on. Still Nations LED Lions by a goal to 0. 7 minutes I referee to so no. Ya bomu 4. Aka 3. Ye ba na say ena would take no etie Nations FC ena etie no omone Accra Lions ena ebo nyame yadoma chena 2 games ena eba so Brekum Chelsea ewo Brekum Golden City Park omo ene Asante Kotoko ena de bo ani Kotoko form no etwa so ana ekosen Legon Cities enso ene Great Olympics ebebo we eye Ghana Premier League week 30 games mienua ebekoso nyame adoma chena. Then on Sunday Hunter Folk ebebo Aduana Stars at the Accra Sports Stadium. Game we the live commentary ebeba nyame adoma chena so Brekum Chelsea any Asante Kotoko game na no so the live commentary ebeba instructorman ebebo Gold Stars Bechem United ene Karela Nebo Mediama ebo RTU FC Samatex, the league leaders, among so for Quatano, and Ebo, and a Dreams FC, and so any Heart of Lions, Ebebo, where a games are Airbus with 30 of the Ghana Premier League, said the Mecano, Asha and the Nations, any Accra Lions, and Etiano, and Yamia Dumachina, and the Sunday games I can about. Now, some of what do me checks, HSA on lose you home game to Asante Kotokoda. Na already any Asante Kotoko nebo obeka ya obebo hatful game no and some buy na house the house the year no near din sempi yehu ya ne say house akobotre agum Asante Kotoko and Samobodu and no mobo Samobodu is saying
I'll tell them that we are sorry for this losing we know that it's behind us but they should keep supporting us and we're not going to disappoint them during the Kotoko match.
Yes, into Samobodu HM or say or can't supporters Nina say omo sorry game omo ko bo omo ne house omo ko lose no nemu mo catch omo say kotoko game ide omo en lose Asante Kotoko coach Prosper Nate Ogun ono so de nsem atudwa efa Asante Kotoko game ho owura no emmese players bi Frederick Asari, Enoch Morrison, and so you're absent. Ogun Akasafa.
We all saw it from his body language that, I mean, he was not happy. But then it has happened. The most important thing is the bread that you have on the table. And the bread we have on the table today was these 3 points. So once we've gotten it, we have very capable goalkeepers in the persons of Moyes and then Dan Lad. So we can have equal replacement. We only have to talk to him, to psych him, to let him understand that it wasn't something that he decided to do, but it just happened. And we need to move on. And he also needs to move on.
Essentially, Prof, as a goalkeepers in there or quality, I won't bet me a gym on summer or kind na coach. Abubakar Watara had to full coach. Already ever saw a Jumanum no, a starting year pa, a do baby a tequoy. Say, had to full form no, a back na, and a year bisa. Watara, any Adriana Stars, and a airbo. Coach Abubakar Watara, head coach at the Mahatifok, I can say, if I give no.
All the coach did not see or come out, you know, we are so fuck. Call me the junior coffee. And at the end of the difference inside the pitch, you know, the debate matches about you are focused to grasp the 3 points. So the way to your trimmer, the best of it. But the two to say, hey, as a folk, and now be for matter. Then you say, hey, you will speed the face to look the 3 points. That's you say, the chances are. They might slowly about Sunday. I will share but yet mean another copy, but the same copy. The wedding from anyone the Casa, very cancel and yet easy. Much there easy. Yes, because a thing about simply a share of the but not a Diana Stars, you know, Malaysia. Omo Banu, Omo Divine, but say you are come to destroy us of food. Because Chroma and your Chroma go about before Ghana and Spain. Let's be one day of friends was question the same balance of Mina Michel go against us. And a reference, yeah, she has. Obetima lose much in your team, she has. Oh, and the has never bet my transaction. What we never. Hey, who trust and who shape you to see you Papa Bekunto Quadia. Name Papa Nusum be imputed in the Bekunto. Yeah, but the regime never. Do you bet you number? But we a criminal about the winning, but the field can determine the result.
Yes, Hansa head coach Abubakar Watara and what's it Nenkaso no so the name someone or Waka Efa or money Adriana game no air to Karim Zito, a head coach at the Mad Dreams any head of lions and a boss say and Zito and so a Kafa game.
We went to 3 competitions all together. So defending it at the same time is not an easy job. Comparing to the traveling Wednesday, Sundays and so forth. So now that we are out of 2, we have to do everything possible to maintain our candidacy in the league. So it's very, very important. This game is very, very important. But it wasn't too bad. I still see fatigue in my voice. Seriously, you see they want to do, because I'm not in the so I have to manage my sessions in order for them to adapt the way I want them to play because they didn't play bad, they possess all right.
Yes, and Zito says who's and the boys in the store or my break game number nations a winning. Also, there's a song called Mayedin Mayokum Asna. Greetings to be a Kwagusafo Edward Toronto. The Asna for Mongwan and Yaminimo Yabozo Sayao. The Wallace, I salute you. Said your mother. Okay, whatever. Also, so Arsenal has now turned to Dreams FC, McTonto, and also Edwin, Efri Colorado, Eba. Na games no Edoso, and then from Kusi Kojo Chrome, or say Alex Usyk will finish Tyson Fury. Fala, okay, Yati, Wayfree Kofi Richmond, or say Black Kofi appear to Kokobin Unity Junction inside Elysian International School, Kokobin. Okay, the best sports show is live and we are enjoying the best from you guys. Keep it up, guys. Thank you very much. Yanko yourself, Japani. more heat. The show is loud and clear inside Mentor phones and accessories inside Kejetia. Any updates on Chelsea CJ? Answer questioner. Obebisaye. Any please let the team manager of Bekum Arsenal know that if anything happens to any Kotoko player, he will be held responsible. Emmanuel Kufikuma. Also, dear, any my regards to my mentor Pepe Suarez. The show is live at Konongo Abosomchiaja. Arsenal will still win the league. Trust the process. We every Azanka post Maloney. Honestly, do the Abba any Akoma Sports is the best. Abiola